Hi everyone, it's Heather here, and today we're just going to have a little look at how you can use the Discovery Library on FlipGrid. Okay, so the Discovery section, this is actually at the top in the menu, as you can see. So you have your discussion section, and then you have your Discovery section, and you have your activity, your mixtapes, your shorts, and your grid pals. Okay, so the discovery section is basically where you can actually search through topics and ideas that have been created by different partner organisations. So as you notice, you've got here where it says partners. These are actually companies that have created topic ideas that you can use for your lessons. And they're created obviously in conjunction with their sort of own activities and you know what they do as organisations. So if you click on this Made by Dyslexia, you can see there's 24 topics Made by Dyslexia, and if you open this up, you can see the topic that they've created. Now, as you notice here, it tells you for this particular one, there's actually some training that they've actually created, and it gives you a link to the training for dyslexia for teachers. And then this FlipGrid topic is all about, you know, telling them sort of what you loved and how you can share this with, you know, other people. Now, this is a particular FlipGrid for that company. But what you can also do is you can actually add this topic to your own topics that you've created, and you could share this with learners. So you can adapt this topic and you could share this. So if you wanted your learners to do this, you could say, right, take this training, and you've got the link there, and then you could adapt the instructions, and then you could get them to respond to that FlipGrid. Okay. And there's lots and lots of ideas that you can use for these different partners. Okay, so obviously, you know, FlipGrid is very, you know, is for all different types of, you know, educators from schools to colleges, etc. So there'll be a big range of activities that you can look through. You know, there's all sorts of things on here. For example, there's a BBC one here, BBC Learning. If you click on this, you can see the different topics that they've created. Here we go. There's a topic here about sharing information and all about creating questions and discussion around things like fake news and sharing posts on social media. So obviously this would be a fantastic FlipGrid to use if you were discussing you know, the idea of, you know, viewing things online and, you know, critical thinking, etc., and, you know, reading, you know, critically. Obviously a fantastic resource to be used in lots of different types of subjects, but would be fantastic for something like, you know, tutorials, etc. And all you need to do is just add that topic, and then you can start using this topic and these resources with your learners. Okay. So it's good to know that these really are just for, you know, these are just to sort of give you some ideas. If you create one of these if you add one of these topics, you are literally just duplicating it. So, you know, if you decide, right, I'm going to go, establishing new routines, here's a good one. Okay, there's a video on here, and there we go. And it basically says, how are you managing the remote life as an educator, parent, friend, and human? Okay, it's a really lovely question. So if you add this topic, I'm going to add this topic, and I'm going to add it as an individual topic. There we go. And now this is in my discussions. So I've created essentially a topic based on a topic somebody else has created. And if I click update topic, oh, hang on. It's not, there we go. I'm going to put my, there we go. I've got in there. Update topic. There we go. I've created a new topic. And as you can see, this is just for my students. There is absolutely nobody else that's going to come onto this topic. This is not, you know, this has not been shared with anybody. This is literally just you replicating a topic that somebody else has created, in order for you to sort of, get some ideas on how you can use FlipGrid. So have a look at the Discovery Library. There is so many different ideas, resources on there, and this will really get you started with having a go at FlipGrid.